In the evolving landscape of unmanned aerial vehicles, Turkey has emerged as a significant innovator with the introduction of the MERKÜT first-person view Kamikaze drone. Developed by SAVX Technology, a subsidiary of Pacific Technology, this system was created in just 8 months to address modern battlefield demands. First showcased at the SA Expo 2024 in Istanbul, the drone has completed rigorous testing, including live ammunition trials, and is now operational. The MERKUT has a flight duration of 20 minutes and an operational range extending up to 8 kilometers. At its core is a guided fragmentation munitions system, featuring a warhead that is optimized for anti-personnel effectiveness. It features an integrated proximity sensor, which allows operators to preset the detonation distance anywhere from 20 centimeters to 5 meters. This automation not only streamlines the final mission phase, but also enhances operator safety by reducing the need for precise manual timing during high-stress engagements. Safety mechanisms are a priority in the MERKUT's engineering. The drone incorporates a dual-layer detonator system, combining mechanical and electronic safeguards to prevent accidental explosions. A mechanical barrier further protects against overheating risks. In the event of mission cancellation, the system can be safely landed and stored for reuse, adding to its practicality. The drone is also equipped with a thermal imaging camera for day and night operations, even in adverse weather conditions like heavy rain. Looking ahead, SAVX Technology is advancing the MERKUT platform with new variants. An armor-piercing munition is under development to target fortified or armored threats, expanding its utility beyond soft targets. Efforts are also underway to integrate fiber-optic connectivity, which could mitigate disruptions from electronic warfare countermeasures that commonly jam radio frequencies. Furthermore, the company is refining target detection and tracking algorithms, potentially incorporating AI to improve strike accuracy and ease operator workload in complex scenarios. Turkey's broader drone industry context underscores the MERKUT's significance. As a cost-effective alternative to larger unmanned systems, it aligns with the nation's strategy to bolster its armed forces and export capabilities.